Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ming. Today I'm gonna show you that I spent 6 months of my spare time building this vent. I hope you guys enjoyed it and find something helpful. Let's get started. You can turn on all the light by one click. This is a 15 by 17 inch thing. Right here is an iPad. There you can see the battery life, and you can control all the light and change the color. Also, you can use your voice to control the light through the iPad. I like this drawer, so organized. Now you might be wondering where the cooking top is. It's right here. You can unlock it and pull it out when you want to cook something. And underneath, it's more storage room where you can put the seasoning or utensil. This is double drawer fridge. For the safety, I installed smoke detector. This domestic air condition is efficient, but also loud. If you have trouble with sleeping, you better switch to a different brand. Underneath, it's a power system that includes 4 lithium batteries, 3000 watts Victron inverter. In this side is 35 gallons freshwater tank. You can unfold this table if you wanted to make more room on the table. Now I am going to show you how to transform this dining area to a bed. Here has one more thing. I can pull down this and watch movie. This is the projector that you can play movie. This narrow storage area is convenient that you can charge your phone here. Next part here is the bathroom. I spent a lot of time on this bathroom design. It's 30-inch by 15-inch, which pretty big size for this type van. I use composting toilet. I think it's more accessible to maintain. The shower head is on the top. Try to make things simple and easy to use. Alright guys, thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.